McKinney ISD is encouraging parents to talk with their kids about vaping. At a meeting last night, the district showed a video about the risks of vaping at a young age. McKinney ISD is one of the first districts to take this proactive step. E-cigs are banned on all of their campuses.